And the last type of variation that we'll be going to discuss is the combined variation. A combined variation involves a combination of direct and inverse variations or joint and inverse variation. So, ang pwedeng magka-partner dyan, kapag combined variation ang pinag-uusapan natin, it's either ang kasama ng direct ay inverse o kaya naman ay joint at inverse. So, paano tayo magta-translate ng statement into an equation? So, for example, on page 188, y varies directly as x and inversely as z. So, kung ano ulit yung nauna na variable, yun yung ating gagamitin or ating isusulat na una. So, y varies directly. So, ibig sabihin yung k, imumultiply natin doon sa pangalawang binanggit na variable or quantity which is x. And inversely, kapag inversely, siya ay magiging denominator, yung kasunod na variable. Inversely as z. So, ito yung ating pag-convert ng ating statement into an equation. Next is, y is directly proportional to x and inversely as z. So, pwede rin nating makikita doon, y is directly proportional. So, k times x and is inversely as z. So, ang pwede lang nating makita kapag combined is directly proportional or varies directly tapos ang kapartner niya inverse. O kaya naman varies jointly or jointly proportional tapos inverse. So, ito yung ating translate ng statement into an equation. Okay, so dito sa example natin ito, solve natin yung word problem. We have 3 steps. So, kaparehas no, ginamit natin doon sa previous types of variation, the direct, inverse, and joint. So, meron tayo, example number 1, find the equation of the combined variation when y varies directly as x and inversely as z. If y is equal to 4, when x is equal to 6, and z is equal to 3. Find y when x is equal to 20 and z is equal to 5. So, meron tayong tatlong steps. Ang unang step natin is to make our variation equation or simply the equation. Saan mong gagaling yun? Doon sa unang part natin, find the equation of the combined variation. So, hanggang dun sa unang sentence. So, kung ano yung unang nabanggit na variable, yun yung una natin isusulat. So, we have when y varies directly. Okay? So, y varies directly as x. And inversely. So, ibig sabihin, i-apply din natin yung sa inverse. And inversely as z. So, tandaan natin kapag combined variation yung ating ginagamit, it is a combination of direct, joint, or inverse. Okay? Next is step number 2 to solve for the value of k. So, gagamitin natin yung pangalawa nating statement bago mag-comma. So, doon sa present yung lahat ng value. Merong y, x, and z. So, yun yung pangalawang statement. Isa-substitute lang natin doon sa ating given or doon sa ginawa nating equation. So, y, ano pang value ng y? 4 is equal to k, yun yung hinahanap natin or isosolve natin ngayon. Then, x is 6. And then, ang z natin is 3. So, next is, i-divide natin yung dalawang number dito sa right side. So, 6 divided 3 is 2. So, bring down natin yung 4. Then k, then yung 2. 6 divided 3. So, pwede yung 2 ay nandun sa unahan ng k. Basta sila yung dalawa magkasama. Then, para masolve natin yung value ng k, divide both sides by the number beside the constant of variation, which is k. So, divide natin by 2. Then, ang k natin will be 4 divided 2 is 2. So, ang value ng k natin ay 2. Next, we are done in solving the value of k, which is the constant of variation. So, gagamitin natin yung value ng k na yon para ma-solve yung last statement natin. Find y when x is equal to 20 and z is equal to 5. So, gagamitin natin yung ginawa natin equation kanina. Y is equal to, yung k papalitan natin ng 2. Yung nag-solve natin kanina. 2x over z. Then, substitute natin yung given natin sa last statement. So, bring down yung y. Then, yung x natin is 20. So, 2 times 20 over, which is, yung z natin, 5. So, y is equal to 20 times 2 is 40. Divided by 5. So, ang value ng y natin is 8. So, ito yung solution natin for this given problem. The next example is on page 190. So, z varies jointly as x and the square of y, and inversely as w. And z is equal to 98 when x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 9. And w is equal to 9. Find the equation of variation that describe the relation and the value of z when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 4, and w is equal to 3. So, ano yung napansin natin doon sa given natin? Mas madami ng quantities. So, ibig sabihin, sulat natin siya in order kung ano yung naunang mga variables. For example, ang natin gagawin is the variation equation. So, first, z varies jointly as x. So, z muna. Z varies jointly as x and the square of y. Inversely as x and the square of y. And inversely as w. So, denominator ngayon si w. At kanya magsulat ng equation. Kung ano yung nauna, sunod-sunod lang kung ano yung binanggit na variable or quantity sa ating problem. Next is, and c is equal to 98, x is 7, y is 3, and w is 9. So, mapansin natin sa pangalawang statement, kompleto silang lahat maliban sa k. So, sa unang solution natin, ang isosolve natin lagi ay k. So, z is 98. K, x is 7. And we have y squared is 3 squared. Over, ang w is 9. Next, so bring down 98 is equal to, bring down yung k, then yung 7, 3 squared is 9, over 9. So, di ba, automatic pag multiply natin yung meron tayong value sa taas. Pero dito, tingnan muna natin, meron ba tayong pwedeng i-cancel para mas madali yung ating solution? So, meron yung 9 sa numerator at 9 sa baba. So, yung cancellation ginagawa lang kapag may magkaparehas sa numerator at denominator. Okay, next. So, yung 98 natin, kakopy lang natin. So, 98. Then yung k is equal to k. Then yung 7. So, wala na denominator kasi na-cancel out na natin. 1 na lang yun. Then, yung k natin may katabi pang number. So, i-divide natin yung both sides ng equation by the number beside the letter k, which is 7. So, 7 divided 7 is 1. Ano lang natira? K. So, 98 divided by 7 is 40. So, may value na tayo ng k. So, tapos na tayo dito sa part na to. Okay? So, next is, find the value of z when x is 5, y is 4, and w is 3. Okay? So, hindi na natin gagawin itong find the equation kasi nauna natin siyang gawin. Laging unang maggawa ng equation. Next is to solve for the value of z. Kasi find the value of z. So, yun pa din yung equation natin. Papalitan lang natin ng 14 yung k. Z is equal to 14 x y squared over w. Then z is equal to 14 times, ang ating x is 5, ang ating y is 4. Then square divided by 3. Then simplify. Okay, yung multiply natin 14 times 5 is 70 times 16. So bakit naging 16? Kasi 4 squared divided by 3. Next, z is equal to 70 times 16 is 1,120 divide 3. So anong value ngayon ng z? So pwede siyang fraction, pwede ding decimal. So z is equal to 373.33 or 373 and 1/3. So pwedeng decimal, pwedeng fraction. And these are your activities for this week.